In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert text to PDF. And guys, guess what? In this video, I'm going to tell you about a tools where you can do anything or a lot of things related to PDF in 2 minutes. And I can challenge you, no one will tell you about this. So let's start. First, all you have to need a Telegram. So at first, open the Telegram apps and search for a PDF bot. After that, click on start option, and then you can see a lot of features what this bot can do. For example, in this video I am converting text to PDF. For this, type slash and select text option, and then write down your text, which text you want to convert into a PDF. You can also select a fonts, or you can also skip it. For example, I skip now, but you can choose any fonts from Google Fonts. Then you can see creating your PDF file, and in 1 minute it's complete your PDF file. Then first of all you have to download it, and then go to your file option, and then open the PDF file. If this video seems like helpful, then subscribe my channel.